Hey guys, so we're on our way to Guangzhou. I just wanted to show you some things, what's going on in China. Like, if you see all of this, there's maybe it's hard to see now, but there's one of the big ports of the city. You got on the other side, you got all construction. You got new things going on. You got construction everywhere where you look. You got trucks. You got construction vehicles. You got like the city is moving. The city is vibrant. Everything is growing. So anyone who could ever make it to China once the lockdown is done, once everything is back to normal, I encourage everyone to come here. You need to have a look. The vibe here is incredible. It's just this, everyone is growing, and if you get the picture of it, right? So if you see all the containers, if you see all the trucks, if you see all the shipments that are going on, like there are people behind that, right? There are people trading, there are people selling things, there are people making money, and like just get a piece of all of the stuff that's going on. Like, there's so much money in the city, there's so much money in the world, you just gotta grab it, right? And we all gotta start somewhere. So if you have the chance to come here one day, just have a look, come around, and get an impression of how that's going.